What if you don't need a brush every time that you paint your nails? Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I use soft pastels, animal print, and flower inspiration for this manicure using no brush for my base color. So I'm going to use 3 colors to do a smooshy base, and these colors are stamping polishes. So I will recommend you use something that's very opaque, not translucent. It doesn't have to be stamping polish, but it could be some polish that covers your nail on just one coat. So we're just gonna place a few drops of the different colors that you wanna use in a resin palette, in an aluminum foil, Ziploc bag, whatever you have. And with a scraper or card, we're just gonna mix them together until you reach the look that you want. And after that, we're just gonna grab a stamper and pick that up and paint your nails. As simple as that. So if for any reason you're just sick of applying the color with a brush, maybe getting a little bit messy or not the desired look, this is a great technique and it's super fast to do. You can do 2 coats if you want, but it's not really necessary if you already achieved the color combination that you wanted. So this is a great technique and I really recommend it if you don't have time or if you're really struggling just painting your nails, because it's not easy. I get it. So we could do this as a fun base. We can use multiple colors. We can even use one color only and apply the same technique. Here I'm just adding stamping on top of this background. This is animal print. You can use stamping polish, or you can also use a regular polish. This is a regular polish, so you really don't need a stamping polish for this part either if you don't have. And then I'm just gonna apply my water-based top coat to avoid any smudges, and then the glossy top coat for the final look. This manicure was super simple and easy to do, very fast as well. So if you ever struggle with your brush application, you don't feel like doing it, this is a great way to paint your nails with some color, with some stamping, and get it done super quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!